What's going on, guys? Colby here from Riverside Sports Cards, doing box number 2 of Bowman 2015 football, doing blaster number 2. Shooting this one off my iPad while the other video is currently uploading. This works out well if it's better resolution, better focus. We'll see, but it's not one to cooperate 100% with me. So, let's see how this goes. Alright, we've got Titus Davis, Nick Montana, Eric Armstead, Benardrick McKinney, Purple Trey Mason, Monte Ball, Randall Cobb. Melvin Gordon, Ben Koyak, Jay Ajay. I probably just butchered that, but I don't know. Eric Flowers, red number 2, 199. Alan Hearns, Brandon Cooks, Derek Carr. Shane Ray, Cameron Artis Payne, David Johnson, Blake Sims, Ben Roethlisberger, Russell Wilson, Bishop Sankey. Why? All these have logos. Okay. Because he wasn't drafted. I say the Blake Sims card does not have a logo. It's because free agent card. Interesting. Carl Davis, Bo Wallace, Stephon Diggs, Orange Ice, Justin Hardy. That's a good looking card. Numbered to 50. Andre Johnson, Eddie Lacy, Des Bryant. There's that Orange Ice again. Devontae Parker, Landon Collins, Jameis Winston rookie card, Danny Shelton, die cut Giovanni Bernard, AJ Green, Greg Olson. Malcolm Brown, Dorial Green Beckham, Garrett Grayson, Malcolm Brown, Shane Vereen, Drew Brees, Jeremy Maclin. Trey Waynes, Cedric Ogbuhi, I probably just butchered that too, Bryce Petty, Purple of Jeff Hurman, Julio Jones, Golden Tate, T.Y. Hilton. Last pack. This box has been fairly decent as far as color, and then the Winston rookie. Tony Lippett, Paul Dawson, Trey McBride, Kenny Bell, Silver Ice, not numbered, Silver Ice, Torrey Smith, Phillip Rivers, and Marshawn Lynch. Alright, well that was box number 2. Got some purple, got a red, got an orange ice, a silver ice, and a Winston rookie. Not bad overall. Not bad at all. Next few videos that might be coming out, I've got that Top Series 2 Jumbo. Hopefully will be in the next few weeks. And then another personal break of 2013 Bowman. So be on the lookout for that. Thanks guys. Catch you later.